Page 27, Scarborough Fair. On page 26, introducing a new time signature, 3/8. If you understand the numbers, what they mean, it doesn't matter what the time signature is. Now it's 3 beats to a measure. We've had that before, but now an eighth note gets a count. Okay, that's fine. If you look at Scarborough Fair, you see these dotted quarter notes at the beginning. Remember, a dotted quarter note is the same as 3/8 notes. That's in any time signature. It's always the same as 3/8 notes. Well, here that means it's going to get 3 counts. That's all. So, okay, just adjust accordingly. That's really all it is. It's no big deal as far as I'm concerned. It's just boom. Let's talk about this though. Right hand first. It comes into the last measure, the first line here. Oh, there's no sharps or flats. I forgot. Excuse me. So right hand, you come in here. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. Move up. And I'm hoping you can do this. Okay, you're kind of moving around a little bit. Just follow their fingering. Go down to the 4th line. You're here. Cross over 4th finger. You need to be able to do this. So you may have to practice. You should do it both hands. It's not that easy. It's a stretch if you do that. It will come in time. But just keep it in mind. You need to be able to, don't shy away from it is what I'm saying. Do it when you need to. And you got some rest, you come out. Left hand, keep the left hand soft. It's here. And then here. Notes changing, a big deal. And that's, for the most part, that's what it is. Now on the 3rd line down, you get this note, B natural, and then here. Until the last line, you're here. Now it's a broken chord, going up. In the last measure, the notes are written here, but it has an 8 VA under it. So you go down an octave, so you go here for that one. Put the hands together at the beginning with just one hand. Let's go over the last measure where the right hand comes in. You're 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2. Make sure you lift up the right hand there. You got rest. Up between each of these slurs. Then you add the dynamics. It's soft at the beginning. And keep it soft. Keep the left hand soft. Just keep it there. The right hand, when it comes in, it'll be moderately, just a little louder. You want to hear the right hand. Don't play them the same. Keep the left hand out of the way. Then you have a crescendo at the end of the 2nd line. You go up to moderately loud. That's the right hand. Keep the left hand soft. Now here, you can play this a little louder so you can get softer. But don't play it as loud as the right hand. And then crescendo to here. That's the right hand. Keep the left hand soft. And here. All that means is you're playing the first note louder than the second. That's all you can do. Just you do it anyway because the natural accent's on the first beat. 1, 2, 3. But okay, and then moderately soft. I mean, that decrescendo tells you you're no longer moderately loud. So when the melody comes in, they have a moderately soft there. Even if they didn't, you'd still be down because the decrescendo took it down. So you're going to be softer anyway. Then the last line, you crescendo, left hand, and then soft. And then here. here, you're down here. That last measure, you can play everything the same there. There's no melody. The melody ended with the second measure of the last line here. Now you can start playing things a little more evenly. You can bring out the left hand a little more. Here. Yeah. We need to smooth this out, and it'd be nice to add the overtones, so the pedal will do that. It'll help us to smooth it out, and it will add the overtones. It'll be a legato pedal throughout. So let's be careful though on that legato pedal. I have some suggestions on that. I didn't mention the speed. They give you a range. You can experiment with the speed as you get to know the piece. It's, I don't know, 1, 2, 3. You'll have to get a note and you can feel it a little better. Let's go ahead and add the pedal. I'm going to play the notes first and then the pedal. I'm going to change the pedal after I play the notes, so it overlaps the hands. This ensures it's legato. Like that. It's a matter of interpretation, and it depends on the sound you want. Ultimately, it's up to you and what you like. But here on the third line down, the last couple of measures going into it, you're building up. And then the next measure, they're leaving the pedal down. If you don't mind that mushiness, because you build up a little more intensity, that's really what they're after, that's fine. If you'd like to lose a little bit of that as you come down, then I'd lift the pedal up on the last beat of that first measure there in the fourth line. So to go back to the third line, the last couple measures here, and then here, lift up right here, and I'd leave it up right there. Once I've lifted it up, I'm dying away. I lost the overtones. I'm gonna leave it up, leave it down. Then I can put it down again after I play the notes in where the words come in. It's an interpretive thing. You have to decide. Experiment with the pedal and the sound, the effect it has, and decide on the sound you want and go with that. I will go ahead and pedal it the way they're saying in the book, but if I were doing this myself, I would pedal it a little different. I'd like to play it with you slowly to make sure we have the right notes and rhythms, and I'm going to do dynamics. So I'll give us 3 counts. That's 3 eighth notes, and we'll come in. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1,